somebody said to you, I want you to share, and you go, I don't want to share, I don't like to share, I don't know why you're teaching kids to share, it's silly, it's crazy. And then you go, no, it's like, well, why don't you tell him how he made you feel when you didn't share? Or tell her how she made you feel when you said those words. The kids are being so other people can make us feel a certain way. Why do you think there's depression? Because you've been programmed from so young that you have no say over your emotions. And the reality of it, out there you will be upset. The reality of it, nobody's ever made fun of you. Nobody's ever said mean things to you. People say words to you. You hear them, process them, interpret them, give them meaning, and react and respond in a millisecond, and don't even realize that you did that, and then you have no other choice but to blame everybody else.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.